Hello, my name is Jackblade and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting a little bit of a new playlist series video style that I will add in together with everything else. We're looking at mod reviews. And today we are going to review a really fun one. Like, you know what it's like when you start a new world. You know how it looks like, you know what it feels like, you know where to find all the resources. So you get in and you're like, yeah, I'm just gonna get over here. I'm gonna dodge that like dangerous beastie so that I can go straight for the iron over here so I can get going because this is super important. And you want a good spot to start, and like this is a decent spot. But why is there quartz? What's happening? Yeah, the mod we are reviewing today is Resource Node Ranomizer. So when you start up a new world, you can do this with an existing save as well, but might not work as well. And if you uninstall this mod, it will break whatever save it has been implemented on. So make sure to back up your save files and make sure to don't forget to set the right profile on mod manager so you don't accidentally break your saves. But yeah, so this will randomize all of the nodes except the SAM or SAM and the uranium nodes. Everything else will kind of like be randomized. Bauxite also won't appear in groups, but like we have quartz over here, that's iron normally. That's also iron normally. Down here should be copper normally, and we have coal instead. So we have two impure nodes of coal, and some of the nodes, as you can see over here, this is staying the same. Limestone is staying as limestone over here. And if we look over here, because this is another spot that some people, like this was my first saves. This is where I started. This is my first spot. This is Caterium now instead of iron. The limestone here stays the same, but we also have more limestone now. So these three iron nodes are now limestone. Like a really cool way, I think, of creating like a challenge run for. Like, I would definitely use this if I was trying to go like, okay, I'm gonna be chaotic. I want chaos, I want mayhem, and I don't want to know where everything is. And then this, like, I got some iron here, so I could actually start over here. But yeah, everything is essentially randomized to the point of like you having to more Caterium more over here. You have to kind of like discover the world again, and Satisfactory Calculator's map is completely useless to you in this case. So, for example, down here tends to be everyone's favorite first coal plant or steel plant, depending on what they're doing with their world, but coal tends to be what they're using this for. So, could you do that doing in this save? I could not. That is Caterium. That is also Caterium. Let's look at this group over here. That's sulfur. Okay, so we have sulfur galore. Okay, where would I find? Like, I could get the coal right over there, but I don't have enough water. So, what could I do? Is there coal anywhere close by that I can find? Doesn't seem like it. So the grassy fields would be a very bad start. Very much a not mindful, not demure start to this run. But it's really fun to just look around and seeing how the nodes have changed. And I really like this. So if you really want to like try this out, it is on Satisfactory Mod Manager. It is literally called Resource Node Ranomizer. This is a mod by Oukibt, Oukibt. The supported resources right now are bauxite, Caterium, coal, copper, iron, limestone, quartz, and sulfur. Like I said, SAM and uranium are not changed. Bauxite also won't appear in groups. So, for example, you see this is a group of 3. Oh, there's coal here. I could use that. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's perfect. Then you have like they recommend starting a new game, existing resource change might, like the verbatim from the mod page, existing resource change might break as miners will suddenly extract other ores. Back up your save before installing the mod. Removing this mod after using it will corrupt your save file until you install it again. And that's a permanent thing, you can't fix that. Compatibility, adding custom resources or nodes may cause crashes. So if you're, for example, trying to run this together with Satisfactory Plus, when that's updated, you will not be having a good day. What's that? Oh, will this stayed as quartz? Yeah, okay, cool. This stayed as quartz, but the purity's changed. So what you kind of need to do is make sure that this is like, you have like a separate profile. When you start up your game, like this is on a profile that is for those specific saves where you are using this. So the 3 sulfur nodes here are now limestone nodes. That's cool. And kind of, I'm trying to fly over to check if the oil has changed, because it might just be that the description isn't updated. We'll see. But also, known issues, no multiplayer support. This is a top priority to fix, according to the mod page. And then there is scanner issues. Resources won't appear in scans when you're starting a new game. Save, and then load to resolve. Okay. Oil stays the same. It's not included. And I would say this is a top tier mod for long time players. I would say that for people who has played this game and like finished the game, this is like the first mod you should install, in my opinion, to create a challenge for yourself. Like, you literally try to play the same way, start in the same place, try to build the same things, and see how far you can get. It might be that there's so little iron on the map now that you really can't get that far without rushing, trying to get to the converter. Like, who knows? So it's really, really cool. And I really, really want to see what we can get. Like if and I want to ask you guys, would it be interesting for you guys to see me do like a stream, say like a Sunday stream where I'm streaming for 4 hours, playing with this mod, to see what we can do and like what shenanigans we can get into? Leave that down in the comments. Also, give me your thoughts if you have played with this mod. Have you found issues that aren't like immediately obvious? Then please. Leave all your thoughts and opinions on this mod down in the comments. It's going to be a very short video, but we are done. And if you enjoy this type of content, like want to see more mod reviews, this is the first one. So remember, I am still very, very bad at this. So like, give me a little bit of grace, a little bit of leeway to get warm in my clothes and figure out exactly how I want to do this. But yeah, I want to have these as like a lot shorter videos where I just showcase on a little bit of a mod, how it works, and give my thoughts on it and like how it's applicable to the game. I can say for sure that it completely breaks the game balance, because the entire game balance is built on the distribution and amount of nodes and the purity and all that kind of stuff. So by changing that, you're throwing balance out the window. Which can be a fun thing, but if you want to stay and play a balanced game, this is not the mod for you. So if I were to rank this, I would give it a, let's see, out of 10, I would probably give this a 7, like 6, 6.5. 6.5 out of 10, I would give this. Like, it is above average, it is better than a lot of the mods that you can see out there. But because of, like, as far as I can tell, most of everything is changed into quartz, caterium, and limestone. I don't really know how much I like that. I would like to see a better, like, more random distribution of the ores, so that not everything is just caterium and quartz. Other than that, I think it's a really, really good mod. So with a little bit of work, this could definitely go up. I would like, if they work on this more and develop it, I would be easy giving it an 8. So It's more or less because it seems a little bit rough around the edges. With that said, let's end off this video. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment on all those things, and join the Discord for continued conversations. And have a good one, everyone. Bye!